Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to change Shopify store name. And here's how. The first thing you need to do is simply navigate to your settings, and then you just need to navigate to the store information. Then after that, all you have to do to change the name of your business is click the pen symbol. You can then see your store names as you can see mine. Here, you just need to type a new name and hit save. That is pretty much it. But if you'd like, you can also link a domain name. As you can see, this is my domain name, and as you can see, it doesn't look professional at all. To purchase a new domain, just select Buy a new domain, and Shopify will take care of the rest. Alternatively, you can connect an existing domain. Thus, if you already have a domain, you can connect it easily by clicking Connect. Let me enter there. Then click Next. Utilize your domain provider. This will greatly improve your website and store since you will have a custom domain, which you can simply use as your store name. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.